Right, I'm doing a service call on the propane water heater out in Hamul. They said it wasn't safe to run and something was going on with it. It looks like there's, see all this ash? Okay, so the spark wire's gone. The sucker's done. So the inside of the water heater is extremely caked with this type of soot. That usually happens when the fuel doesn't burn properly, doesn't burn 100%, and it just kind of, it's propane. So it just kind of turns into, propane's like a man-made gas. It's left over from the production of gasoline. It's like a gas that's left over. So they sell it because it's flammable, but it doesn't burn clean. It's not natural, you know, clean burning natural gas. It doesn't burn clean. It tends to leave, like, I don't know what they are, hydrocarbons or something. So anyway, I think we're gonna have to rebuild the burner assembly, which I was able to do, and get the inside of the combustion chamber cleaned out. It's just a really nasty job, and it gets this soot on you, and it like, doesn't come off very easily. So I gotta try and figure out a way to protect myself so I don't end up looking like a chimney worker. Okay, trying to get this thing cleaned out. It's pretty bad. It goes all the way up to the roof. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like soot coming out of the cap on the roof or the ducting. So I've had to move on to wet rags, which works, but it's incredible. I mean, look at me. I'm just destroyed. I got soot all over my face. Chimney worker today. It's all inside the combustion chamber. It's just all the way up the stack. Inside the flue, and then into the ducting, and the ducting through the roof. So it is just nasty. At least it's light and fluffy and not sticky, but yeah, I mean, it clogged the filter in this vacuum in seconds. So I was woefully unprepared for this job. I like to use vinegar to do this because it really cuts through that stuff, but all I have is just water and rags. Oh, yeah. Wonderful. Nasty. This was an orange rag.